Need to add a little swagger to your home or office? Colorcord's Pendant swag hooks are the way to do it. In your hook pack, you'll find a backplate, swag hook, a basic drywall anchor, and a screw. We even included the Allen key, so you can skip the junk drawer dig. If you're installing into another surface, or just don't want to use our anchor, our hooks are compatible with third-party No. 6 wall anchors. Before we get started, here are the recommended tools for this installation: a power drill, a 1/4-inch drill bit, a mallet or hammer, a Phillips screwdriver, and the Allen key that came in your pack. To begin, pre-drill a hole with the 1/4-inch drill bit. Next, place the anchor straight into the hole to keep it from bending during hammering. Then use the mallet to tap the anchor until it's flush with the surface. Now, mount the backplate by driving the screw into the anchor. Drive it by hand with the screwdriver rather than the drill, so you don't strip the screw. Keep turning until it hits a hard stop, not just until it looks flush. That's how you know the anchor is fully set. Every hook, except the cord stay, includes a small set screw to secure it to the backplate. Before threading the hook into the backplate, fully loosen the set screw with the Allen key so it doesn't fight the threads. Thread the hook onto the backplate, then use the Allen key to lock it down. If you want to lock down that swag with even more security, try our cord clips. They give you a stable grip and some extra flair in 2 styles, the bolo and the bar. That's it. Hang your fixture, adjust your swag, and enjoy. If you have any questions about our swag hooks, or wondering if they'll work with your setup, give us a call, hop on the chat, or email us at info@colorcord.com. A real person will answer, and they know lighting. Thanks for watching!